Hey guys, I'm Lindsay with Heiress, and I'm going to show you how to use Oribe's natural texture lotion to create an effortless wave. So we have my lovely model Ebony here, and she's got a really light wave in her hair. So I already prepped the side on the right. We're using her natural curl to create this look, and on the left I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial to teach you how to do this look. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you've washed your hair, so shampoo, conditioner, and I like to use something with a little bit more moisture in it, especially if I'm going to try and enhance my natural curl. Step 2 would be to towel dry and get out as much of that moisture as possible. And step 3 would be Oribe's Matte Wave Texture Lotion. So I would first scrunch it in, and as you can see, I've already prepped this a little bit. So I would scrunch it into the hair when it is wet. And then I would take little sections, maybe 1-inch sections, and I would twist and press the product in. I would go through the whole head and do this. And I'm doing it in more of an organic way. I'm not sectioning it. I'm not going through the back. I'm just picking pieces organically, just twisting them. The other great feature about the Matte Waves Texture Lotion is it is medium hold and it's suitable for even the finest hair types. After I twist, I would probably air dry it. Maybe I would do my makeup, possibly make breakfast, and then come back down and add some heat to it. This product can be used on wet or dry hair, and I kind of like it when the hair is a little bit air dried. Okay, so now I would take the heat. So I'm going to use the hottest heat, so the warmest setting, and I'm going to use the lowest flow, so I don't want the strongest airflow. So it is important to sometimes grab your pieces, twist, and keep the heat on them, even cupping them into your hands. You can air dry this, like it doesn't need to be blow dried. I'm doing it to speed it up. So now that we've stopped the heat, my favorite thing to do, or the best practice, is to cool your hair down before you actually try to style it. And now I'm going to take Oribe's Flash Foam, and it's going to control the frizz. And then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to comb this out. I'm going to reapply some of the Matte Wave Texture Lotion to enhance each piece so it's a little bit more texturized and a little bit more piecey. And it will also help control the frizz. There you go, and that's your kind of natural lived-in wave look. Thanks guys for watching today. Stay tuned for more tutorials.